Good morning. I'm an attorney representing the law firm of Dewey, Cheatam, and Howe. I have been retained by my client sitting here to my right, Mr. Bull, because of certain situations that have arisen which have given rise to his opportunity to bring legal action against those people who have caused harm to Mr. Bull. And now a statement from Mr. Bull.
Well, thank you. I'm going to tell you a little story about me. I'm Humble Bull. You see, come from humble beginnings. I was raised in a spot much like you're going to see on the picture. And quickly, though, I rose through the rank through hard work and perseverance. Very soon, I was on the circuit, and my name was well known. Eventually, though, injuries succumbed to me, and I unfortunately had to step down from the circuit and all my bull natures as I was put out to pasture and retire. It's at this point in my life that in 2022, I met these lycra-clad cyclists coming into my pasture from the Rock Cobbler. I didn't know much about it then. I'm so glad my attorney's here to help me through this unnatural series of events. But I will tell you this, their clothing may look a little bit like my Spanish matador friends who fight the bulls down in Spain. Still, I replaced my heart for them as they mostly wear helmets. Anyway, my anger has turned to compassion, but my attorney advises me that I should proceed with legal proceedings, which I will. So therefore, I don't know much about you, but I don't like being retired and getting messed with. It's bull. And it's unnatural to keep a cyclist around a bull for some reason is just plain tootin' dumb. So, if you mess with the bull, the saying says you get the horns. And you're going to get the horns of my attorney. So, well, that's what happened. And I'm messed up and messed with, and I don't appreciate it much. My name has been dragged through the mud and slandered and raised, and I've been attacked, accused, accosted, and people are harming my natural habitat, and videos of me are posted all around the world. I became infamous, not famous. Remember, I'm just a humble bull, and I'm trying to do the right thing. But this is bull bleep.
Mr. Bull, I think that's enough for a statement by you at this particular point. You should be made aware that early this week, my firm, Dewey, Cheatam, and Howe, filed a lawsuit here in the federal court of Bakersfield, California. The suit has been filed against lycra-clad, helmet-wearing cyclists who have slandered Mr. Bull, accosted Mr. Bull, and generally defamed and libeled my client's character. Our firm will not put up with any further shenanigans or efforts to harm my client. It is our understanding that this cycling event will occur again. Our advice to all of the cyclists that are involved is to steer clear of Mr. Bull. Now, to assist in clearing the air, I would like to present you with the following 5 exhibits. Exhibit 1 here shows the home of Mr. Bull, his pasture. There's plenty of room for people to ride, as you can see. Next, we're going to see in Exhibit 2 a rider who will directly challenge my client, Mr. Bull. As you can see, he challenges my client, and then Exhibit 3 shows a rider, one of these riders, attacking Mr. Bull from behind. Here it comes. Watch this. As you can see, the rider attacked Mr. Bull. Number 4 exhibit shows videos defaming and libeling my client. These attacks are unwarranted and unjustified. Next, we will come to Exhibit 5, which is the Rider's Guide in Language, which advises all of the riders to avoid livestock, such as Mr. Bull. See item number 6 on page 7 of the Rider Guide, which reads, "Watch for other trail users, cattle and horses anywhere." So, Mr. Bull, I want to thank you again for retaining the firm of Dewey, Cheatam, and Howe, and allowing us to represent you to eliminate this libel and this defamation that has occurred. Do you have any final comments that you would like to make?
Well, I just want to thank you for taking on this very disturbing case that has challenged my soul in unforetold ways, and I hope that these cyclists do take this allegations and this trial very serious and no messing with the bull.